Hey guys, Defender Freedom back again with another quick silver unboxing and just a little bit of talk about precious metals investing in general. Let's get right into it. This is 12 ounces of silver here. It's going to be nothing you guys haven't seen before, but I wanted to just talk to you guys about what my thoughts are on views on precious metals and investing in gold, silver, platinum, palladium, whatever you collect. It's been a long time, I know. By the way, I want to wish you all a happy holiday season. Christmas is right around the corner. Today's the 10th of December, 2018. Just wanted to wish you all a happy, safe, and joyous holiday season. And some shout-outs here really fast before I dig into this. International Stacker, Silver Slacker, of course, Big Stack McGee, Salivate Metal, and a new one I just now starting to watch his videos. You guys should go check him out. Silver Wolverine. So Silver Wolverine has got some pretty cool stuff, and I've been following all you guys, and hope you all are doing great. And this is going to be really fast, or as fast as possible. It's going to be nothing you guys haven't seen before. By the way, this is from Bullion. And originally I ordered this from Provident, but the item that I wanted was out of stock when I finally had the money to purchase it. So I went to Bullion, and here's that. Again, this is going to be nothing you guys haven't seen before, but it's both of these pieces are new to me, so I'm excited. And then we'll talk a little bit just about my views are on the precious metals and precious metals investing in general, and what my thoughts are. So let's get this box out of the way. So again, Bullion, thank you very much. Okay. And I have not had one of these yet, so I finally pulled the trigger and got one. And with the silver prices at 14 plus, this piece here, this 10 ounce Royal Canadian Mint, came out to like I want to say 154. So that was a really good, awesome find. Oh, and by the way, I'm using a new camera. Yes, guys, I finally got a new camera. So let me know what you guys think. If it's the details are picking up a little bit better than in my old videos. This one's actually serialized. That's pretty cool. Yep, Royal Canadian Mint 10 ounce bar. It's got the repeating logos in the back. Very cool. And that one right there in the middle, that's kind of like the oddball. So yeah, again, it's nothing you guys haven't seen before, but it's new for me. So I like it. And of course, I really wanted these for a long time. My coworkers actually told me about these Krugerrands. They're like, oh yeah, their Krugerrand is coming out with the silver version, so here we go. No, I'm not using gloves. I do not care. And I got, I think, 2 of these Krugerrands. And this is the I believe the 2018. Let's see if it says on here. Yep, 2018. Yeah, this camera is actually picking up detail a lot better than the other one. This is a Panasonic I got from I think Target.